Hello everyone, I'm currently in the Shangotedo area of Ajah, Lagos, and today we are touring this 4-bedroom fully detached home. The land size is about 300 square meters. So for people who are always asking, what can I do on a 300 square meter land? This is what you can do with a 300 square meter land. The car park space can take up to 3 cars. We have spacious room inside as well. Comes with a CFO and a building approval. All right. So if you're new to my channel, you quickly want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let's explore what this beautiful home looks like. Welcome home. Okay, so this is the ambience of the estate, and we have units of 4-bedroom, fully detached home. This in the middle is actually the only one left on the market. The other 2 units are sold. You have your car park space over here that can conveniently take up to 3 cars, right? You have your walkway just right here, and you have your tanker just positioned right there. Because of the gen, I'll not be able to pass through. So I'm going to take this other route to show you. So let me show you the BQ just right here that we can go right inside. So you see the walkway, you can conveniently pass here. So that's to let you know that you can actually build a 4-bedroom fully detached home convenient. The boys' quarters. You have the boys' quarters just right here, and you have your ensuite bathroom just here. Okay, this property just came into the market, so of course there are still some finishing touches to be done. Let's go right inside. So you have your simple design here. You have your floor to ceiling glass window just here. And we have this door that welcomes us right inside the home. So over here, you have your primary living area. So this is your primary living area. You've got your TV console just by this corner. And just by my right, you have your visitor's room. Have your visitor's room. Also with its ensuite bathroom. That's your walk-in shower. Like I said, we're still doing the finishing touches of this home. So this is your primary living area. So if you go just down this way, you have your kitchen. Of course, you have your sliding door that leads you to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. The kitchen is quite spacious. So this is the kitchen. You've got your island. You have your 5-burner gas cooker. Your heat extractor is right there. Your oven and your microwave is just this way. So let me know what you think. So over here, you can still have a view of your primary living area. And just beside the staircase, you have your visitor's restroom. So let's go upstairs. So you have your staircase that is censored. So when you come upstairs, you have your family lounge just right here. Have your family lounge where you can just put your TV, just set up another living area. So by my right, you have 2 rooms, one here and one here. So this is the room. You have your wardrobe just right there. And this is what your room looks like. Have your bathroom right here. That's your walk-in shower. So let's go to the next room. So this is the other room. You have your wardrobe there. And this is your room. Have your walk-in shower just right here. So let's go to the master's, which is the last room. So your master's is this way. So you have your TV console just in that corner. And I love that you have good natural light coming in because of the window. So this is your space for the masters. Just right here, you have your walk-in closet. Have your walk-in closet right here. And by my right, you have your bathroom. So your walk-in shower is just right there. And of course, you have your bathtub just right here. Amazing. So you've got a sliding door that leads you to the balcony. So this is the door. You have your balcony just right here. And of course, you have other modern houses just right in this corner. So let me know, what do you think of this project? 180 million in Shangotedo in a well-secured estate. All right. So let me know what you think. Every detail will be in the description. If this looks like what you want to call home in 2026, kindly give me a call and let's get you home. Thank you very much.